Check this out. My AI agent just sent me 3 video ideas and it helped me extract these ideas from top trending videos on YouTube. And I just did it in 5 minutes. I have an automation system that I give it the keyword and the title I want, and it will analyze the videos, top trending videos, and send me the ideas on Telegram, and it will save it in a database. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create this automation. Let's check it out.
The command center. We need just 2 columns, keyword and a strategy. Back in Make, we set the trigger to watch rows. And there's a crucial step here. Set the limit to 1. We want the bot to focus on the keyword at a time, not to get banned for spamming the API. For the engine, we aren't using the basic search module. We're using the raw make an API call module to access the developer layer. In the query string, we request the snippets. But here's the secret sauce, the published after field. We use this add days formula to force YouTube to only show us data from the last 30 days. We want fresh trends, not ancient history.
Just wait here. This step is very important. If we give all of the data from YouTube API to our AI, it will somehow break. It will consume lots of tokens, and we need to give it as understandable text. So we need to add 2 steps, 2 modules in our make.com scenario, which one of them is an iterator and the other one is text aggregator. Let's see how they work.
And this is where most people fail. The API hands us one giant lockbox containing 20 videos. If we send that to AI, it breaks. So we add an iterator to unpack the box into 20 items. Then we use a text aggregator to repack them into one clean, readable list. It's like turning a messy pile of data into a neat report. This is the output we want from our text aggregator. We want it to give us the video and give us the title, then find the channel, and it gets it from the iterator, snippet, and you can see here's the channel title. It will show us, and it will give us the link as well. Here's the link, the start of the link for all of the videos. And if you add video ID from the iterator, the last module here, it will give us a full list. Yeah, this is what we all set in the text aggregator. Now it's the time for the brain. We select Gemini 2.5 Flash for speed. In the system instructions, we don't just say summarize. We give it a persona. You are a viral strategist. We especially tell it to ignore huge channels like MrBeast and look for psychological hooks. This prompt is available in the description. You can copy it and use it. Now, this is the system instruction. We put to Gemini, as you can see. The role is YouTube viral strategies, and the mission is ignore outliers. And then it's going to identify the psychological hook behind all of the top 3 videos, and the output format. We set it here. It will show us a trend analysis and 3 video concepts and video ideas we can use for our own video. So it analyzes all of the videos and gives us 3 ideas. Other parts no need to be changed. Here, we don't just want notification. We want a database. Module 5 writes the strategy back to our Google Sheet, so we never lose the data. In this module, we set the row number from the first Google Sheet module, which is row number, and the table contains headers, and we wanted to put in the column B the result that we got from Google Gemini, so we have all of the results in one place. Finally, module 6 sends it to Telegram. Make sure you set parse mode to markdown. This allows the AI to send us bold titles and clean formatting. Well, as you see here, we set the text that our Telegram bot is going to show us. And here we first put the text, the keyword from our first Google Sheet module. We'll choose it. And the full text is going to be the result that we get from Gemini. And here we set as I said, the parse mode to markdown. Well, let's test it live. I'll type productivity hacks in the sheet. Back in Make, I'll first run. YouTube finds the hits, iterator unpacks them, Gemini analyzes, and as you can see, it's analyzing, and boom, green lights across the board. Congrats, guys. It also gave us the results in our Google Sheet, and we can use it later for ideas.
Well, this is it. As you saw, we connected our Google Sheet to YouTube API and then analyzed the top trending videos on our topic. and then use Gemini and connected it again to Google Sheet and Telegram. If you want to know how to connect your Telegram to make.com, I will put the instructions in the description of the video. And if you wanted to know more about how to use AI in your marketing, SEO, and other use cases, you can watch my playlist of AI for marketing. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.